Hello students, I hope you all are well at your home, and as we know our country goes through a major crisis of COVID-19, and for this we all are suffer a lot in all fields. So your education is our first priority. That's why I have decided for you some online maths classes. Now I am going to start from chapter first, number system. So before going to start, I have some basic definitions for you, and here are the basic definitions. First one is whole number, second natural number, third rational number, fourth real number, and last one is integers. Now I explain each definition along with example, and first one is whole number. Whole number are a set of numbers including the set of natural numbers 1 to 0 and the integer 0. It means whole number are 1 which start from 0 to infinity. Now I will show you with example. 0, 1, 2, ... infinity. This collection is called whole number. The second definition is natural numbers. A natural number is an integer greater than 0. Natural number begin at 1 and increment to infinity. It means natural number are 1 which start from 1 to 0. For example, 1, 2, 3, ... infinity. This collection is called a natural number. Here the third one is rational number, and the definition mentioned is page number 3 of your book, and here is the definition. A number R is called a rational number if it can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. Here P is numerator and Q is denominator. Children, I mentioned Q not equals to 0, which means if I write 7 upon 0, its value will become infinity because 0 can't divide 7. Here I want to clarify one more point. If I write 6 and 7, we can write 6 as 6 upon 1. Similarly, 7 as 7 upon 1. 6 को हम 6 upon 1 फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं और 7 को भी हम 7 upon 1 फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. So both denominators not equals to, both have denominator as 1. It means 1 not equals to 0. So 6 and 7 are both are rational numbers. Got it? And fourth one is real number, and the definition of real number is the collection of all the rational numbers and irrational numbers together make up what we call the collection of real numbers, and it is denoted by R. It means, as we look at this figure, this is a bag of real number which is denoted by R, which contain all the numbers. It means natural number, whole number, rational number, real number, integer, etc. Now the last one is integers. The number which start from minus infinity to infinity is called, the number which start from minus infinity to infinity is called integers. Here we completed the introduction part, and now let's start exercise 1.1. And the first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0? It means, क्या 0 एक रेशनल नंबर है? और अगर ये एक रेशनल नंबर है तो क्या हम इसको P upon Q फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? As we write 0 as 0 upon 1, in which 1 not equals to 0. It means 0 is also a rational number. So our answer is yes. And this is the explanation of question number first. And the second question is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we write 3 and 4. Here we can write 3 as 3 upon 1 and 4 as 4 upon 1. Now we multiply both the numbers with same digit. 4 upon 1 multiplied by 2. 3 into 2 equals to 6 and 1 into 2 equals to 2. Similarly, 4 into 2 equals to 8 and 1 into 2 equals to 2. 6 upon 2 and 8 upon 2. And there is only one digit between 6 upon 2 and 8 upon 2, and that is 7 upon 2. Similarly, we can multiply 3 upon 1 and 4 upon 1 by any number, whatever you want to choose, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I choose 7. 3 multiply 1 multiply by 7. Similarly, 4 upon 1 multiply by 7. 3 multiply 7 equals to 21. 1 multiply 7 equals to 7. Similarly, 4 multiply 7 equals to 28 and 1 multiply 7 equals to 7. So the rational number between 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7 are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7, and last 27 upon 7. So this is the 6th rational number between 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7. And the last question is find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. And this is your homework and some more questions for you. And keep practicing. Thank you. Papa.